Hello there. Another unboxing of an unboxing of a McFarlane figure. McFarlane Toys Demon Slayer. Nezuko Kamado. Demon Slayer. Okay. I've seen a lot of memes with this character. I know nothing about Demon Slayer. It's not on Pluto, and it's not on Tubi. So I have not been able to watch it, but I've seen a lot of memes for it. So I know virtually nothing about the figure, but it's a McFarlane figure, and I kind of like McFarlane toys. Even more now that they don't break the moment you try moving a limb. Quality has improved a lot since the 90s with McFarlane. So let's see. Nezuko. Okay, there's nothing that comes in the box, nothing else. Just a little name. Whoops. That there. Looks like there's no accessories. And I know nothing about the series. I'm guessing that there's another figure there, part of this line, and I don't want to get too many more figures from this series because I don't know anything about them. I don't know if this is a villain or a hero, and I like her hair. I have no idea why she has a bit gag on. Okay, so we got articulation here. Hand, wrists rotate. This hand's a fist. The sculpt is really good. Really good sculpt. Okay, so the torso does twist at the waist, it looks like. Leg kind of moves, but her dress gets in the way. Robe, dress, kimono, whatever. Got a little articulation up and down, and left to right, and that's about it. Let's see. Yeah. So, it's a nice little figure. Since I don't know anything about the anime, I'm not going to do any speculation. Try and figure out anything. If you want, go ahead and comment down below any information you have about Demon Slayer. Otherwise, I can just Google it, or hopefully maybe one day watch the anime itself. Be caught up, but it's a nice looking little figure. Yeah, I like the pattern on her kimono. There, now you can see it a little better. Yeah, it's a good little figure. She'll make a fine addition to my collection.